Grace? Grace, Mr. Bird? Think you got a little grace on your fingers there. You might want to wipe that off, Mr. Kung Fu Grip. You're right. God does serve justice. He makes sure that justice gets served. The only problem is you're the one wearing the napkin in your shirt. Your word, Mr. Bird? You give me your word? You're going to deal with me by the end of the year? You gave me your word 2 years ago. Definitely, period. You gave me the same word last year. And you're still saying it now. Nothing's going to happen. The CCB filing, it's not going anywhere. They were going to cancel it because you haven't been able to provide proof that there was actually any offense. You're not going to be able to provide that proof. That is not going to happen. That is my word. I give you my word that this is not going to go anywhere. Once again, just a story, fabrication by a professional liar. You're a loser, Mr. Bird. Get ready to lose some more.